In this video, we're going to be looking at a coal-fired power station. I'm going to show you all of the systems that make up a coal-fired power station and how they work together in order that a coal-fired power station can generate electricity. So we've taken the chemical energy of the fuel, turned it into heat, we've heated up the water, we've created high pressure steam, we've fed it to a turbine, and now we are converting that heat energy or heat into mechanical movement or kinetic energy. The first thing we're going to need when we build a coal-fired power station is coal. The idea is that we burn fuel to release chemical energy that we can use to heat up water and create steam. So we can see we've got a ship on the left-hand side of this diagram. The ship is delivering coal. We will unload the coal from the ship, and then we'll use a stacker to stack the coal up in a coal yard or perhaps a coal dome or generally just a storage area. We've got a make-up water inlet. The make-up water feeds to a deaerator. When we talk about make-up water, we're essentially talking about the water that's added to the system and then treated before it becomes boiler feed water. You can't just take water from a city grid or from a lake or a river and put it into a water tube boiler. Large amounts of oxygen indicate that we've added too much air and perhaps not enough fuel. Large amounts of carbon monoxide indicate that we've added not enough air and that combustion efficiency is low because combustion was not complete. The exhaust gases will pass through the preheater, and some of the remaining heat from the exhaust gases is used to heat up the air which is being fed to the boiler. After that, the exhaust gases will pass to an electrostatic precipitator and will effectively ionize the exhaust gas stream in order that particles are attracted to large metal plates. These metal plates have a large contact surface area. Particles in the exhaust gas stream, such as fly ash, will be attracted to these large surfaces, and in this way we can remove them from the exhaust gas stream.